At TKO Sales, we're not just a transfer company. We're your complete heat transfer solution. Fast, scalable, print on demand, powered by heat transfers. With manufacturing facilities on the East Coast and West Coast, TKO delivers speed, consistency, and scale. From home shops to global brands, from one piece to millions. At TKO, our custom heat transfer solutions include screen printing, silicone, DTF puff, patches and emblems, hybrid DTF, and full-color DTF rolls and pieces, delivering vibrant color, Pantone precision, and unmatched consistency so you're ready to scale without limits. In just 7 seconds, a blank garment becomes a finished, ready-to-sell product. Hot peel, fast press, jobs done in minutes, not days. TKO Sales is your complete heat transfer solution. Visit tkosales.com because at TKO, we're in your corner.